Hey guys, it's your girl Chi and welcome back. Now this is a highly requested video. This is the look that I wore on my vacation at the Bahamas, and a lot of people has been asking me what foundation was I wearing, the eyelashes. So I put all of that into this video, and if you want to watch me recreate this look, then continue watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am doing a highly requested video on my vacation look when I went to the Bahamas, and I will post a picture somewhere around here, but let's get started. So I've already moisturized and prepped my skin. I always use my No Poreblem primer and I've already moisturized. And another thing for really flawless skin, you do want to prep your skin. So you want to find a good moisturizer, a good cleanser, a good exfoliator. And if you do have texture, lots of textures on your skin, then you want to find like a really good primer that will smooth it out. I do like the No Poreblem primer because it makes your makeup application very smooth. And then you want to find a foundation that doesn't exaggerate your textures as well. So on my vacation to the Bahamas, I did use the Cover FX Power Play foundation, and when I went on vacation, I was G50. But after getting that tan, I'm now G60, and look at the tan difference. Like G50, G60, right? That jump. So let's go ahead and put on some foundation. Now to take my damp beauty blender, okay, so this is with 2 layers of foundation on, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to concealing. So I have the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and absolutely love this concealer if you don't know already. So I put my concealer anywhere that I want to highlight, and these are the areas that I normally highlight, and you want to go in a V shape for under the eyes and blend till your arms fall off. Okay, so I'm going to take my beauty blender that I've already used with my foundation, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines so that you don't see where the concealer starts or ends. Everything will be well blended, honey. So next we'll move on to the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I have it in the shade light medium. We're going to set under the eyes because we don't want any creasing. We've worked so hard on this makeup for it to be ruined by creasing. So you always want to smooth out your concealer under your eyes before setting. Eyes. So I'm going to use the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer, and this is in the shade Sunlight. So with the same bronzer, I'm just going to take my e.l.f. contour brush and contour my nose. Okay, so the nose is snatched. We're going to go ahead and move on to blush. And it's the NYX Ombre blush. And this is in the shade Strickly Chic. It's a very pretty ombre, peachy kind of a blush. And I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks and bring it on back. Okay, so I created a very simple eye look using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, and I only use the shades Orange Soda and Burnt Orange. So I put orange soda all over my lids, and this palette has a lot of kickback, as you can see. A lot. Again, we're just taking orange soda and putting it all over the crease, raising it slightly above, and we're just blending. Blend, blend, blend. Don't rush the process, just blend. Remember, take your time. It's not a race. Okay, so now that we have on orange soda all over the lids, we're going to go in with burnt orange, and we're just going to put that in the crease. So I'm going to pack it on here first. Just pack it. And then blend. So guys, that's basically it. I only use those two shades. Very simple, right? And I'm going to go in with my NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Okay, so it's time for the lashes, and I have the Lilly lashes for Sephora collection, and it's in the style Miami. That took a while. I don't know why putting on lashes stresses me out, but it does. This is so bomb, so bomb. Okay, so now that we have our lashes on, we're going to go ahead and highlight. So I used my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Hello, beautiful, like so bomb. And this is in molten gold. Such a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. Super pretty. Last but not least, we're going to set our makeup, and I'm using the Mario Badescu skincare, and this is a facial spray. We're just going to set everything, make sure everything melts like butter, baby. And just pat everything in. And here you have the finished look. And thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's another look that you would like to see from me, then comment below. Later.